The 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is a stunningly beautiful grand tourer that delivers on its promises of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. With a new twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a revised chassis, and a modernized interior, the DB12 is a significant improvement over its predecessor. Here are some of the highlights of the 2024 Aston Martin DB12. Performance. New twin-turbocharged V8 engine produces 697 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Improved handling and agility thanks to a revised chassis and suspension setup. More responsive steering and braking. Luxury, exquisitely crafted interior with high-quality materials and finishes. New infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and improved connectivity, more comfortable seats with better support, increased legroom and headroom for rear passengers. Exclusivity, limited production numbers make the DB12 a rare and desirable vehicle. Personalized customization options allow owners to create a car that is truly unique. Membership in the exclusive Aston Martin Owners Club provides access to special events and experiences. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2024 Aston Martin DB12. Pros: stunning design, powerful engine, agile handling, luxurious interior, exclusive ownership experience. Cons: high price. Limited availability. Rear seats are not as spacious as some competitors. Infotainment system can be difficult to use. If you are looking for a beautiful, powerful, and luxurious grand tourer, the 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is a perfect choice. Overall, the 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is a remarkable car that is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. It is a true luxury grand tourer that offers the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style.